हाय सेक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेटी गाडयांक बसोवपा खातीर लोकांक येरादारी खात्यान वरांची वरां लायनीक रावचें पडटा. देखून जनतेची सोय करपाक आनी वेळ वगडावचो न्हय म्हण खासगी नंबर प्लेट डिलर्सां कडेन शासनान गुंतवणूक केल्या. मात खासगी डिलर्सां कडेन ₹100 अदीक भरचे पडटले. खात्यान कमी कर्मचारी आशिल्ल्यान हो भार पेलपाक जायना अशी माहिती मंत्री गुदिनोन दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
See, HSPC high security number plate, people have to wait for hours. I am aware of the problem. I am arriving at some solution. In fact, from very first day, I had proposed to my director. I have spoken to Secretary Transport now to send the file immediately. I am going to give a option to the people. If you go to RTO, I think the number plates it costs around 300. With additional payment of say 100 rupees, I want to give it to the dealers, private dealer. So you don't have to waste time. You go fix a plate and you go. In RTO, what happens? Because of the procedure involved, you have to go on time, take a token number, stand in the queue. If you don't, your turn does not come, you have to go again. How much are you going to spend for petrol, waste of energy, time? Instead, we are going to try and give it to the dealers directly. So they just go fix the number plate.
People like this,
From
local artisans like this Bhatte Arts and all, they will be excluded?
No, this is also to include those dealers who used to deal in number plates because they suddenly became unemployed. So I have asked the person who have got this contract, you please tie up with the dealers and they will not get much revenue. Only 100 rupees will be extra. So they have to adjust between that because I don't believe in making it very high so that it's high cost for the people. Just 100 rupees more.
Simultaneously, transport department installation will continue.
Yes. Those who want for 300 rupees, go to RTO. Those who want it quickly done with a private dealer, go and you will get it for 400.
Slow process.
No, it is physically not. No, it is physically not possible, and we don't have that much of manpower. As you know, recruitments were not taking place. Existing vacancies have lapsed. We have shortage of staff in all RTO offices. So how will manage? This is an extra thing being done.